Good morning, 7th graders. Congratulations, we've made it to the last Friday of the school year. We've got just under 1 week left. As I'm sure you already know, you should be working on getting any of your missing work turned in from distance learning. I sent many of you a Schoology message yesterday that had an extreme amount of missing work. Please try and get as much of it done as you can. All of it will help your grade. Remember that I changed the grading this quarter so that the daily assignments are worth 50% of your grade and the summative assignments or assessments are worth 50% of your grade. Previously, your daily work was only worth 30%, so it didn't affect your grade as much. However, it is playing a bigger part now in the fourth quarter. But as you are looking at that, please try to do the summative assessments first because those will have a quicker impact on your grade. There are 5 of them in the fourth quarter, and they're listed here. We had a quiz about the cell cycle during the first week of distance learning. We had one about reproduction of organisms, which was just an interactive concept map. It was kind of a drag and drop thing using the textbook resources. That was in week 3. At the end of week 5, we had a quiz about genetics that went over, using Punnett squares and dominant and recessive traits. Then the gizmo for building DNA. I have included that as the summative assessment for sort of our DNA learning. So please make sure you have done that one. It's going to have a greater impact on your grade. And then lastly, the animal research project. I put this in there just to kind of sum up that you have learned something about animals and can apply that to a specific animal in your learning and being able to show that to me. But that one is worth 15 points. That one's bigger than most of the other assignments. So if you haven't done that yet, please get that done, okay? So focus on these 5 assignments first and then work on tackling some of the other ones. You've got almost a week left, so just try and chip away at them as best as you can as we finish out the school year. I hope you have a great weekend. It's supposed to be pretty nice weather-wise, so hopefully you can get outside. Don't get too sunburnt, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. And I almost forgot, there will be a Google Meet again today from 1:30 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. The code is on the screen. It's going to be the same one we have been using. Sexton Science Help, all lowercase. All you need to do is open the Google Meet app, type that in as your meeting code, and it will let you in. But don't try it before 1:30 because it won't work until I've got it opened up. Okay? Again, have a great weekend. Try and get some of the missing work done. Those of you that have got it all done, way to go. Congratulations. You are on Easy Street. You just get to do some of those activities that were sent out on that choice board. So let me know if you've got any questions. I've got the grading all done for what's turned in. So please give me something to do. Those of you with missing assignments, have a good one.